Hello everyone, welcome to ChamiViews. This is our 44th video per GoLang series. In the previous video, we have discussed about the mutex, right? Uh, these are the things that we have discussed in that video, right? These things are very important when you are learning about the Go related things, right? If you haven't heard those things, please look into those things. Uh, Today we are going to discuss about the sortings, right? Uh, there is a function called sort inside the slices package. Using that one, today we are going to do the sorting, right? When you are doing the example, I will teach you how we can use the slices package, and using that one, how we can do the sorting, right? These things are very simple things, right? But when you are learning about the Go related stuff, these things are very important. Okay, first I will create the uh, slice called strs, right? Type is string, and then we can type like these strings, right? Z and A, and then C likewise, right? These are three strings. Okay, curly braces, right? Okay, then using the slices package, slices dot sort, I will pass this strs. Okay. This is the function, right? We can pass this slice to this sort function, right? Okay, then I will print fmt.println strs. What is the output now? You will see output is AC Z, right? It have sort this slice, right? Okay. It is not support only the string. We can use the integers as well, right? I will return the slide. Type is int, right? I will add 10, 8, 5, likewise, right? Okay, then slices dot sort, I will pass this ints and then print this ints variable. It have ordered, right, in ascending way. Okay, then I will create a slice by using the plots, right? Plot 32. Okay, then I will add some plotting point value here, right? 1.2, 1.1, 1.5, 0.8, likewise. Okay, then slices dot sort. I will pass the plots and then print that value. Plots. Okay, what is the output now? This is the output, right? Here you can see it has sort in ascending order, right? These things are very important, right? Hope you got a clear understanding about how you can sort the slices using the slices package. If you learn new things, please share these things with your friend. Please subscribe to my channel. We'll meet in the next video. Thank you. Bye.